I feel a little more helpless. With these changes happening right before our eyes, a Bill of Rights is moving faster to it's still right, gentlemen. The only voices left are saying it's true. And there's one thing we can do. Take it back. Take our country back. Can't you see that we're under attack? So they all
every one of them. And if they don't fit in right, you can kick them out. Sorry. But this country is no longer a rich country. We got usurpers up there that is taking, they are actually ruining this country. It was rich, now it's poor. And if people think this is a rich country now, they are all mistaken. It's a broke society. It's a country that's broke. And we cannot no longer afford to get people in and let them go on social welfare and emergency room calls illegally. They don't pay tax. It ain't going to fly no more.
When should people's papers be checked?
As soon as possible.
But I mean, in what instance would that happen?
Well, to be honest with you, every time they come, for instance, to the ER, hey, that's a good time to start. And every time they get a ticket, every time they get pulled over, every time they do something that is not right, check it. And if they don't fit in, kick them out. Sorry, that's how it goes. And there's no other country in the world, just so you all know, there's no other country in the world that allows people to come in and take advantage of their own country. You can look at the Mexican immigrant legislation. They have like 15 reasons to kick you out immediately. If you fly a U.S. flag in Mexico, you get prison, jail. But they fly them here, and it's openly. And then people say, oh, that's so great. It ain't great at all. Cinco de Mayo is not our day. We have July 4th as our day. It's July fly. It doesn't make sense. It's one country, under God, flying the U.S. flag and proud of it.
Are there days in Norwegian tradition that you celebrate?
We have May 17th. That's our constitutional day.
And you celebrate that here?
I don't, because I'm 4th of July. I love this country. I grew up in Norway, and as long back as I remember, I love this country. And to see it now being raped and pillaged by usurpers in this Capitol building is a shame. And this is what it really is heartwarming to see so many wonderful people now showing up to show their content with these.
Well, there's going to be another revolution, buddy.
Yeah!
A revolution.
Make it a peaceful
one. Like the one that was there before.
Got it.
It's coming. It's coming.
What's coming?
They ain't getting my freaking gun.
Thank you, sir.
The revolution's coming. That's what's coming.
You think so?
I guarantee it's coming.
You think this
I don't want it to come, but it's going to come.
You think today is the start of that direction?
Exactly. They want my guns.
This is my limited contact.
I live in Virginia, and you can have a life. Concealed carry, and if you come in my freaking house, House, I can blow you away with no question.
Thank you, sir.
This frickin' city here is sick. You can't even have a gun.
And check this out. We need to
You can't even have a frickin' gun. The only people that have guns are the frickin' criminals.
Hey, this is a veteran. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your service.
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you.
very
God
much.
bless you.
And my name's on the back of the card. If anything I can do, let me know. But this is more important. We need to unite on the one.
Yeah, well, I belong to the, you ever heard of the Oath Keepers?
I do. Yeah.
What would a revolution be for?
On the back of the card is Arvid Motion.
Get these Obama and his cronies out of the house. Obama is the devil.
I love
He's
that
a
guy.
freaking devil. He fooled a bunch of white people to vote for the dummy. They got him in there, he lied, and now he's a freaking Marxist, and he's just like Hitler. Hitler, the first thing he did was take over the freaking auto industry. He took over the school. He took over everything, and then he started killing the Jews and everybody that he could. Just like Obama, he wants control. He don't want to be the president. He wants to control this country and control you and everybody here. And God bless this meeting. I think it's 1.9 million here today.
That's awesome. Thank you.
And that's just a tip of the iceberg.
We all represent.
There's a boatload of them at home. They didn't come.
Who would be fighting?
We the people against the cronies in the White House and the Capitol.
And what are you fighting?
Congress is a bunch of crooks.
And what are you fighting for?
Freedom.
Liberty and freedom.
The Constitution. We're fighting for freedom and the Constitution.
That liberty.
This is a republic. They work for us. Them suckers are up there for life. They need to have terms. 60 years, 40.
If you ever come by Grand Junction, you got my phone number. Right in Colorado. You know what they call. What's your name? Nina. Nice to meet you. Harvard.
No, you're not.
I'm going to move the shit off those so you actually read it.
Very Obama kid.
I've been driving all the way.
It's the guy with the sign that says there's that. Is that nationwide?
I was.